and just want to show you MA Momentum Scalper this morning. So it has closed out all these trades. In fact, actually I closed out the last 3 myself because I saw it shot up a lot and I thought it can't sustain, and so I closed out these last 3 positions, which proved to be the right thing. You can see it's gone down since, but it's made $195 this morning, and this is my tiny account. So if you go to trade, you can see, you know, 520 now, so I only had 300 in there anyway, because that's how much we're putting in there each time I'm withdrawing. But I'm going to start to increase the lot size, because if you look at the history, so this is today, we started this on the 25th, which was just over 2 weeks ago, so 25th of April. You can see the results that we've seen so far using this trading robot. So it's the MA Momentum Scalper, is using our DAX optimization. So DAX is the German index, it's DE40, and you can see the dates, all the 25th or the 4th, which was 2 weeks ago, using the smallest lot size. I'm doing 0.01, and I did use this on US 30 as well, and did have some results, but it kept crashing out. But the DAX has been quite good. It's crashed out a couple of times. You see where we've had some losses, but soon after all the profits come back. So I'm really liking the entries. We do get strings of losses, as I mentioned, but the entries are really good. And yeah, this is a big lots of loss, but that's why I put in 300. If it takes out the account, I'm just replenishing the account and starting again. And as you can see, the replenish and the results and yeah, profits come back. So I'm not too worried if it crashes, because if it does crash, like all trading robots and all markets, they change all the time. And you know, I'm seeing some optimizations which are working really well. The DAX one is working fantastically well. You see 1,913 using the smallest lot size, and each time I'm putting in $300. So $300 has grown into this. It's been absolutely amazing. I'm really thinking that this could really change trading for myself anyway. Putting on one lot, you can see it was all here, loads and loads of trades, mostly profitable. Now I'm going to go double the size, and ideally I'd like to get to one lot. If you one lot, just imagine that'll be, you know, not 19,000, that'll be 190,000 2 weeks. But obviously you need a lot larger account size to be able to do that. So I'm going to start off slowly and just use the money that I make to increase the lot size. So if it all goes horribly wrong, I'm only going to lose the amount that I put in initially, which was 300, but I'm taking out profits. I've been withdrawing profits on this, and if you've been following, you've seen that I've taken out a lot of profit and taking it out of the account into the wallet account. And I'm actually with Plexi trades, you can only take out in Bitcoin and Ethereum and other cryptocurrencies, and I've been doing that as well. So I'll show you what I've been using actually, because I found a really good account which gives you a credit card, works in both Europe and US, and you can extract or withdraw any profits that you make in Plexi Trade directly into the account, and you get a credit card that you can spend it straight away. So that's worked really well. And the other thing you can do is you can actually stake your crypto, so you can actually, you know, return money in interest payments through your crypto account. But I'll share that with you a bit later on. But this is working fantastically well. I thoroughly recommend it. You can see the results are really good. Yes, you get accounts like trades like this where you lose out. That's why we put in such a small subsection of your account into this. Accounts these days have negative balance protection, so you cannot lose more than you put in, which is why every time there is money and profit to be made, I'm taking money out, because if you've taken money out, they can't touch it. So brilliant results. I recommend. This is MA Momentum Scalper using the DAX optimization, which is available for Mr. Alan Forex Premium members. So I hope to see you there. Take care. Bye bye.